Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best under cabinet lighting is probably one of the most underrated upgrades you can make in your kitchen or workspace. It instantly elevates the ambience, provides crucial task lighting, and adds a touch of modern elegance. But with so many options available, choosing the right dimmable under cabinet lighting can feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll explore the top contenders, helping you find the perfect lighting solution to brighten up your space. Number 5. WOBANE LED Under Cabinet Lighting Kit. Tired of dim spaces? This kit offers a simple solution. It's easy to install with included accessories, requiring no tools. Just clean, stick, and connect to transform your cabinets or shelves. Enjoy super bright illumination with these LED lights. The included remote lets you adjust the brightness to your liking. It provides high-quality lighting for any space. This kit includes 6 pre-cut LED strips, offering flexible connection options. You can easily upgrade your cabinets, closets, or any area. It's a great way to personalize your lighting. The RF remote gives you full control from up to 60 feet away. It features timing, dimming, and dynamic functions. You can easily adjust the lights to suit your needs. This kit uses a high-quality adapter and low-voltage LED strips. The lights are safe and generate minimal heat. The adapter can support even more lights for extended coverage. With its strong adhesive tape, installation is a breeze. You can quickly and easily enhance your kitchen, counter, or showcase. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. What we like? This kit offers pre-cut LED strips, making installation a breeze. It also comes with an RF remote for easy control from a distance. If you are looking for a customizable and easily installed lighting solution for your cabinets or shelves, then this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to install. The lights are bright and dimmable. The color temperature is perfect. Number 4. SZOKLED 20 LED Under Cabinet Lighting, 4-pack. This is the perfect lighting solution for your home. It's wireless and rechargeable, making it easy to install anywhere. You can add light to corners where bulbs are hard to install. Forget about replacing batteries. This light has a built-in rechargeable battery, saving you money and reducing waste. It's lightweight and compact, making it ideal for various spaces. Control the lights effortlessly with the included remote or the touch control. You can adjust the brightness and switch colors with ease. This is perfect for any situation. Choose from 3 color temperatures and 10 brightness levels. It also has a built-in timer to save energy. This is perfect for under counters, closets, or any space needing custom lighting. Install these lights quickly with adhesive magnetic strips. The magnetic design allows for easy removal and reinstallation. No tools, drilling, or wiring are needed. These lights are perfect for various locations, including your home, RV, closet, and more. Use them to illuminate your space for Christmas or any other occasion. Note that it does not have a motion sensor. What we like? This product features convenient USB charging, eliminating the need for disposable batteries. It offers both remote and touch control for easy operation. If you are looking for a versatile and eco-friendly lighting solution for your kitchen or closet, consider this one. What people say. Easy to install and have 3 different color tones, plus can be adjusted to 50% or 100% brightness. When turned on with the remote, they will stay on for 90 minutes, or you can change it to 30 or 60 minutes using the remote. The lights themselves are magnetically attached to a strip that has an adhesive tape on the other side for mounting. Number 3. EZVALO 16.5-inch Under Cabinet Lighting. This motion-activated light combines smart sensing with a sleek design. It works as a touch light and can be placed anywhere you need. In night mode, the sensor detects motion and turns off automatically after 20 seconds of inactivity. You can set the right mood with 3 color options: warm white, natural, and cool white. Long press to adjust the brightness from 10% to 100%. It allows you to brighten them for tasks or dim them for a night light. This rechargeable light lasts for 30 days in auto mode and 9.5 hours on 100% brightness. It's bright and eye protection, thanks to the energy-saving LEDs and a non-glare cover. You can use it for reading, camping, or as a flashlight. It offers 2 installation methods: use the built-in magnet or the 3M adhesive tape. No screws are required, making installation easy. It's also easy to remove and recharge. Great for kitchens, closets, and more. More than just a utility light, it combines functional illumination with a modern design. It delivers bright, even light for task lighting and provides ambient accent lighting. It's the perfect blend of practicality and style. What we like? This product has a smart motion sensor, making it ideal for hands-free operation. It also offers adjustable color temperatures to suit your needs. If you like the convenience of automatic lighting and want to customize the ambience of your space, then this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. The motion sensor saves energy by turning on when I walk up to the kitchen area and turn off when I leave. The tone and brightness are easy to adjust, and honestly I don't even care about replacing the microwave light anymore. These do the job perfectly. They seem to work well, are sensitive enough to motion, and have held a charge pretty good. Number 2. AIBOO LED Under Cabinet Lighting Kit. This under cabinet lighting kit is the ideal solution for areas lacking light, such as under cabinets, shelves, and display cases. It provides a warm and inviting glow to enhance any space. With the RF remote control, you can easily dim the lights from 0% to 100%. The controller also remembers your last light setting for added convenience. You have full control at your fingertips. The kit includes all necessary accessories for a quick and easy installation. You can use adhesive tapes or screws to mount the lights wherever they fit. Installation takes just minutes. These 2W LED lights replace 25W halogen lights, saving over 90% on your electricity bill. The design is eco-friendly with a 120-degree beam angle and a milky cover to reduce glare. The UL-listed power plug with an on-off switch ensures safety. The 12 VDC low voltage output makes it safe to use. This product is made with premium quality materials. What we like? This product offers wireless and dimmable control via an RF remote. Installation is simple, with all accessories included. If you are looking for an energy-efficient and easily installed lighting solution for your kitchen or display areas, then this is a great choice. What people say. Purchase these low-power consuming LED lights for my van build. Very easy to install and like the fact they're dimmable and can be controlled by remote control. We stuck these on the underside of bookshelves and others on the shelf facing up. Can be dimmed to your preference and controlled with a smart plug. The remote dimmer works great. The dimmer helps with the whiteness, has preset buttons for 100%, 50%, and 25% brightness, with plus or minus buttons to adjust further one way or the other. Number 1. EZVALO puck lights with remote control, 6-pack. These EZVALO puck lights feature a smart motion sensor. They automatically turn on in the dark when motion is detected. You can also group them for easy control. Forget about replacing batteries. This light is rechargeable with a built-in lithium battery. It can last for hours on a single charge, saving you money and hassle. Installation is a breeze with 2 simple methods. You can use the built-in magnets or the included sticker mounting discs. Repositioning is also easy, just take it off when you need it. Choose from warm or cool light with these under cabinet lights. You can also adjust the brightness from 5% to 100%. Plus, there are several timer settings. These compact lights are perfect for various spaces. Use them in your kitchen, closet, or office. They are a convenient and versatile lighting solution for your home. What we like? This product features motion sensor and group control for added convenience. It's rechargeable, saving you money and hassle. If you are looking for a smart, energy-efficient, and easily repositionable lighting solution, then this is a great choice. What people say. Easy installation. Setting up these puck lights was a breeze. They come with both adhesive pads and screws, giving you options for installation. I opted for the adhesive pads, and they've held up perfectly. Stylish and discreet design. The sleek, low-profile design of these lights blends seamlessly into any environment. They provide the perfect amount of light without being obtrusive. Wireless convenience. One of the standout features for me is the wireless operation. No need to worry about finding an outlet or dealing with unsightly cords. These lights are truly hassle-free. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.